हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल से रिलेटेड। अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। तो अगर आपके पास स्किल्स हैं लाइक पावर बीआई, टैबल्यू, क्विलिक्सेंस और किसी अदर विजुअलाइजेशन टूल का और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल का, देन सर्टेनली यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीस जॉब पोस्ट। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल, and I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI, SQL, Python developer और data analyst role। अगर आप चाहते हैं आप कोई भी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस ना करें इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड, देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल राइट अवे। फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स कराता हूँ रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहे, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप चाहते हैं मुझसे कनेक्ट करना, कोई फीडबैक सजेशन है या यू वांट एनी असिस्टेंस, देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन रीच आउट टू माय मेल आईडी एंड माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड ऑल द लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स है, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बट बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है या आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें या रेगुलरली जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, then do press the like button, share it with your needy friends, and also you can share your feedback or suggestion in the comment section as well। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बीआई एनालिस्ट। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज इक्विनिटी, हायरिंग फॉर बीआई एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 2 years, जॉब लोकेशन इन चेन्नई, सैलरी वुड बी कॉम्पिटिटिव, एजुकेशन बैचलर्स मास्टर्स डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, आईटी और अदर सिमिलर डिग्रीज। Job description: gather reporting requirements from various stakeholders, architect the solution report, understand and analyze the source data, and deliver the reports in timely manner. Strong expertise in designing intuitive and interactive reports and dashboards using Power BI or for data-driven decisions. Further experience in publishing and sharing the dashboards, scheduling data refreshers, should have handled complexity around visualization or data. Experience on any ETL tool, preferably SSIS, is a plus, and understand fundamentals of data preparation modeling necessary for the visualization purpose. For this job role, there are certain technical skills you need to have: Power BI on-premise, Power BI Cloud, DAX, mQuery, Power Apps, Excel, VBA, SSRS, SSIS, SSAS, Data Warehouse, and ETL. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills you need to have to apply for this position. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the second job. Company name is EQUINITI Knowledge, hiring for Power BI associate, experience 2 to 3 years, job location is in Bengaluru, salary would be 4 to 9 lakhs per annum, education anything bachelor's or master's degree. Roles and responsibilities: conduct monthly cost analysis based on portfolio managers' interactions, providing actionable insights, refresh and update dashboards, ensuring accurate and timely data visualization for ongoing projects, perform internal versus external data comparison analysis to support decision-making processes, fetch and analyze coverage information from top brokers quarterly, producing comprehensive summary reports as requested by the client, and sales coverage sheet maintenance, regularly update the sales coverage sheet to reflect the latest entries and ensuring the accuracy of client information. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI associate over here. And if we talk about technical skills, you should be proficient in Microsoft Excel, SQL, Power BI, and PowerPoint. Python programming skills, particularly in data analysis and automation. Experience with Power BI, Power Query for data transformation and integration. Excellent communication skills for effective interaction and with clients and internal stakeholders. And detail-oriented with a strong focus on accuracy and data integrity. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the third job. Company name is SCRUT Automation, hiring for Power BI intern. Job location would be remote. Salary will be discussed. Education bachelor's, master's degree in business, marketing or related field. Roles and responsibilities: designing, developing and maintaining business intelligence solutions to enable the client market data-driven business solution decisions. Work with business users and other stakeholders to understand business processes and requirements. Maintain and update customer records in our CRM system. Help optimize CRM workflows and data entry processes. Contribute to the development and documentation of revenue-related processes, and high standards of accuracy and strong attention to detail with a drive to get things right. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI intern over here. And technical skills: bachelor's, master's degree in business, marketing or related field, Proficiency in CRM software, HubSpot, Salesforce, and data analysis tools like Excel, Tableau, and Power BI would be a plus. Excellent analytical problem solving and communication skills, and ability to work independently and collaboratively in a fast-paced environment. So these are some technical skills for this job post. And if you are looking for any internship job position that to remote, then definitely you should apply for the job post. To apply for the job post, this is a link where you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is C2FO, hiring for BA analyst, experience 0 to 3 years. Job location is in Noida. Education bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Pay scale would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. That is estimated. Roles and responsibilities play a crucial role in developing self-service capabilities and data visualization dashboards company-wide. Partner and consult with cross-functional teams to develop conceptual data models and to design and build reporting and best-in-class business intelligence programs. Gather and analyze data thoroughly and collaborate with both the analytical organization and business owners to identify problems of varying complexities, uncover business insights hidden within the data, perform all BI analysis and data exploitation, extract signals and signature from raw data, be familiar and have a strong understanding of databases, warehouse analytics dashboards, and perform basic research on root cause of data anomalies that are uncovered through normal course of analysis. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a BI analyst over here. And if I talk about technical and soft skills, you should be proficient in SQL, MDX, and DAX, ability to write and maintain SQL stored procedures, experience working with established warehouse methodologies, design and emerging BI processes, experience developing enterprise class self-service BI solutions with tools such as Pyramid Analytics, Power BI, Tableau, Looker, and Excel. And if you have all these required skills and roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Fifth company in the list is DXC Technologies, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job location is in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree, computer science, software engineering or related discipline preferred. Salary will be discussed. Roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain new and existing Power BI reporting, develop and maintain Power BI apps of the businesses, work with SQL database to create new tables and views along with querying existing data, architect, design and develop end-to-end business intelligence solutions based on Microsoft Power BI platform, and partner with profitability team to provide technical support for existing and new tool sets. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI developer over here. And if we talk about technical skills and soft skills, role is to design, build, and deploy reports and dashboards using Microsoft Power BI, have experience in Power Query and DX, should have experience building Power BI data flows and managing Power BI workspaces, Power BI dashboard and report development experience, and RDMS data warehouse modeling skills, and preferably experience on MS SQL tools. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're interested for the job, you can click on this link and you can submit the job application form. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is C2FO, hiring for BI reporting analyst, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related field. Salary could be 4 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: develop and implement Power BI reports and dashboards that provide actionable insights, work closely with stakeholders to understand their data analysis needs and deliver solutions that meet those needs, utilize Microsoft Azure Stack technologies to ensure seamless integration and data consistency across various platforms, write DEX queries to extract and manipulate data for complex reporting requirements, and collaborate with cross-functional teams to integrate Power BI with other digital solutions. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a reporting analyst over here. And technical skills: experience with Microsoft Azure Stack, including Azure Data Factory, Data Lake, and SQL database. Proficiency in DEX queries and data modeling, a strong analytical and problem-solving skills. And you need to have excellent communication and interpersonal skills with the ability to explain complex data concepts to non-technical stakeholders. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Seventh company in the list is Quest Global, hiring for Power BI dashboard creation, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, business admin or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: as a member of team in the healthcare domain, your primarily job will be to involve in development and enhancement of dashboards for a specific business unit. You should be passionate about going to the extra mile to design and enhance dashboard for good stability, reliability, and performance. Implement best practices for security, data governance, and compliance within Power BI. integrate data from multiple sources, including SQL databases, Excel, SharePoint, and other cloud-based data sources. And you also need to stay updated with the latest Power BI features, update, and best practices. And for this job role, the key skills would be advanced Excel macro programming, strong knowledge in Power BI, database background, that is table design, building relations across table, and knowledge in Power App development like no code or less code solutions. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Let's move to the 8th job. Company name is Kotak Mahindra Bank, hiring for BI analyst, experience 2 years, job locations in Mumbai, education MBA, bachelor's, master's from Tier 1 or Tier 2 institutes. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: connecting to data sources, importing data and transforming data for business intelligence, developing visual reports, dashboarding and KPIs scorecards using Power BI desktop, and building analysis service reporting models. Key skills: you need to have at least 2 years of experience to apply for the job post. Planning, monitoring, and execution of campaigns. Identify right channels, right mode, and right time to reach out to customers. Design innovative ideas to improve campaign repost rate. Customer segments, macro segments using analytical techniques. Optimization of campaign spends to improve C2I. Effective stakeholder management, engagement with business heads, product teams, marketing teams, and operations team. And you need to have experience in working on SAS, SQL, Power BI will be preferred. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're a good fit for the job, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. 9th company in the list is ACUITY, hiring for Power BI analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in remote, education, bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information system or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: develop, design, and implement data visualization solutions to support business intelligence reporting and analytics needs. Work closely with cross-functional teams to gather requirements and design effective solutions. Utilize data manipulation techniques to extract and transform data from various sources. Collaborate with data analysts and data scientists to ensure data accuracy and quality. And develop automated data visualizations to support ongoing monitoring and reporting needs. Key skills: experience with SQL and data modeling, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, excellent communication and collaboration skills, ability to work in fast-paced environment and manage multiple priorities, teamwork, growth, contribution, tech, train, share knowledges with peers, and experience with one or more programming languages such as Python, R, JS, or Java. And if you have familiarity with OLAP, data warehousing, data modeling, and ETL processes, then you are a right fit for the job. You can click on this link to know more about the job and how you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the 10th and final job of the day. Company name is EY, hiring for BI developer, experience 3 to 5 years. Job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree on above in mathematics, information system or stats. Salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and implement solutions using the full capability of the Microsoft Power Platform like Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Identify, design, and implement internal processes improvements, automating manual processes wherever possible. Familiarity with common data services, connectors, Power Apps, formulas, and app development tools. Develop custom connectors and APIs to extend the functionality of Power Apps and Power Automate and integrate with the third-party services. And in Power Automate, workflow automation, design and implement automated workflows using Power Automate to automate repetitive tasks, notifications, and approvals. And if you're comfortable with roles and responsibilities, these are some key skills you need to have: in-depth knowledge of Python, SQL for data manipulation and scripting, and exposure towards R, SAS, Java, or Scala. In-depth understanding of Power BI desktop, Power BI services, and Power BI decks, and utilize decks to create calculated columns, tables, and measures that enhance the data model for more in-depth analysis. And familiarity with Azure, Microsoft 365 Suite, and SQL Server. So if you have required skills, you have, as mentioned by the company, you have required experience and you are comfortable with the roles and responsibilities, you should apply for the job post by clicking on this link. And all the job application links you'll get in the description box of this video. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI analyst and BI developer. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like button if these jobs are helpful. And you can also subscribe my channel if you want to get daily job notifications or regular job notifications. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.